He speaks quickly. She sings beautifully. And they drive carefully. But what do all these words have in common? They're adverbs of manner. And today, I'll show you how to use them correctly, how to form them, how to avoid the mistakes English learners often make. Let's go. Hi everyone, I'm Teacher David, and I am going to help you make English clear, simple, and fun. In today's lesson, we're learning how to describe people, how people do things, whether it's slowly, quietly, loudly, or perfectly. By the end, you'll be able to make your English sound smoother and much more natural. What are adverbs of manner? Adverbs of manner describe how an action happens. They answer the question, how? He speaks clearly. How does he speak? Clearly. She runs fast. How does she run? Fast. They work hard. How do they work? Hard. The children laughed loudly. The teacher explained the lesson patiently. The cat moved silently through the room. So adverbs of manner make your sentences more expressive and interesting. How to form adverbs of manner. Most adverbs of manner are formed by adding ly to an adjective. Quick, quickly. Careful, carefully. Quiet, quietly. Angry, angrily. Bad, badly. Some examples. She dances gracefully. He speaks softly. They work efficiently. My sister sings beautifully. He answered the question politely. The baby slept peacefully. Irregular adverbs of manner. Some adverbs don't follow the ly rule, or they have special forms. Fast, fast. He runs fast. Hard, hard. They work hard. Late, late. We arrived late. Early, early. She gets up early. Good, well. He speaks English well. It's not he speaks English good. So none of these have ly in them. Confused? Sorry, you just have to remember them. Here are a couple more examples, just so that you understand it. The bus arrived early this morning. She studies hard for her exams. She drives fast, but carefully. You play the guitar well, not goodly. Remember, good becomes well when it describes how someone does something. Word order. Where do they go? Adverbs of manner usually go after the verb or after the object. He drives carefully. She reads the book quietly. They painted the wall neatly. The waiter carried the tray gracefully. She explained the rules clearly. If there's no object, it goes straight after the verb. He sings beautifully. He runs quickly. The baby sleeps peacefully. Common mistakes. Here are some common errors. She sings beautiful. She sings beautifully. He drives good. He drives well. He speaks English very clear. He speaks English very clearly. Remember, use adjectives to describe nouns. She's a beautiful singer. Beautiful being an adjective. Use adverbs to describe verbs. She sings beautifully. Beautifully being an adverb. Adverbs of manner in real life. Let's look at a few natural, everyday examples. I always speak slowly when I teach English. She usually writes neatly in her notebook. They sometimes sing loudly in the car. He often cooks carefully but eats quickly. My students listen attentively and answer confidently. See what we did there? Mixing adverbs of manner and frequency makes your English sound fluent and natural. Mini practice. Let's practice together. I will put 5 sentences on the board and I would like you to change the adjective into an adverb. So here they are here. He is a careful driver. He drives carefully. She's a quick runner. She runs quickly. He's a good singer. He sings well. The baby is a quiet sleeper. The baby sleeps quietly. She is a happy speaker. She speaks happily. Okay, guys, did you get them right? I'm sure that you did. Now, try one of your own. Put it in the comments down below. I'll check your answer personally, and I will write a comment for you, okay? Quick recap. Adverbs of manner tell us how something happens. Most end with ly, but some are irregular. Fast, hard, well, early, late. They usually go after the verb or object. Don't confuse adjectives and adverbs. They're not the same. If you want to look at one of my previous videos where I gave examples of how a word can be a verb, a noun, an adjective, and an adverb, and all the different meanings, I'll put it down in the comment for you. So thank you for watching all the way to the end. I appreciate it very much. If this gave you any more of an understanding, please click the like button, consider subscribing. That way you won't miss out on any wonderful comments. Okay, so thank you guys. See you next time. Click here to watch the next video. Bye.